All right, guys, so we are ready to roll out our second round of rapid fire testing. By now, you know the persona that you're going to use, and because we're using the same objective, campaign objective, we're actually going to roll out our ads. The only difference is we're rolling out different ads to the same persona that was the winner. So you'll see here, we're running with this persona for this client. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this ad and I'm going to edit it with different offers and hooks. Now, I go through the training on potential different offers and hooks available across different industries. But what I did is I gave my client basically a spreadsheet. This is inside of their Google Drive as well, so it's all well organized. And I've asked them to outline, I did this while we were in the first round, just to save time so that I had this ready to go by the time we had our personas. I asked them to outline different offers. So this is our general audience here, and these are all the different offers that we have. So I've got quite a few of them. I've got about 7 of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to duplicate this ad, and the purpose for that is we almost don't want to add another variable to the equation here, meaning if I roll out different images, it could just be that the image didn't resonate. So by keeping it the same exact image, I know that the only thing I'm testing is the actual offer here. So here I'm going to go, this is $99 highlight. So I'm going to name this $99 highlight so that it's very obvious for me. And I will go and edit this so that it is appropriate. Okay, so a couple of things here with this client. Some of the offers that they have, it's like highlights or balayage. So obviously, if that's the situation, you may need to edit your ad creative a little bit, but ideally try to keep it the image as close as possible. If not, if you can't, keep it the exact same image. The second part of this is you may have had a couple of ads running inside of that ad set previously. Pick the top ad, so the one that had ultimately look at your soft stats, click-through rates, cost per click, and then messages. Which one's converted the best? So if your ad creative in one of the other tests only got you one message reply, that's not enough data to make a call on that conversion rate. So at that stage, just look at the soft stats like click-through rates and cost per click and run with that ad. Okay, so now I've duplicated all of my offers in here. I'm going to roll out a few more as well. And you see I've named them so that I know exactly which one is which. So the next part of this, guys, is to preview them, pull up the link, add it to the ad tracking sheet. Super important that we do that, right? So let's go ahead and do that. And you see I created a new tab here with the date, so I'm going to rename this date. Oh, it is the 4th of May, that's good. And I'm going to punch in my ads that need approval for the client. And we're going to repeat this for every ad. Okay, so I've added the tracking, the ad inside of the tracking sheet. What I need to remember now is to pause all the ads until the client approves them. Oops. And then I'm going to send this ad tracking sheet, or I'm going to remind my client, I'm going to advise my client, I should say, to go inside of the ad tracking sheet and check on the second tab and approve the ads creative. Make sure you get this internally checked as well before you do that step. So this is basically how to set up the second round of your rapid fire test. Just as a reminder, guys, you're rolling it out in the existing campaign under the ad set that you decided was going to be your winning persona. You're basically duplicating a version of the winning ad, and you're editing it according to the different offers or hooks that you're going to try out. Then you're adding all of those new ad creatives to the new tab inside of the ad creative tracking sheet, and internally checking that, then sending that to the client for approval, making sure that the ads are on pause while they approve those ads.